Okay, I'm starting again back to the video. You can see my Eclipse J2EE already is downloaded and you can directly launch right now your Eclipse. Okay, so let me click over here, launch. It is taking a little bit time to the launch because first time you're launching, right? Even still, you can see over here what step we follow. First, we went to the URL that is called www.eclipse.org download. After later, what happened? We just went to the in download folder, and this is exactly the our file name. Okay, and then what happened? We double click on that file link and just say that I want to be install my Eclipse. We click on the run button. After later, we selected to the Eclipse IDE for the enterprises Java and the web application web development purpose. Okay, and after later we click on the installation button, and just what happened? Installation. Okay, that exactly is it. Now after later we are right now reach in the step number 5. Okay, now wait little bit. Now the thing is what we need to be a download your Tomcat also. Now what exactly the Tomcat? Okay, before that you can see when you are open your Eclipse, you can see Eclipse. This is right now not more Eclipse. Okay, application is Eclipse only, but inside I have to be a structure that is called J2EE Architecture. Now just I want to be say the launch like previously how we did, and your Eclipse is the launch. You can see my Eclipse is right now in the launching. It's take little bit time because the Eclipse is the heavy version, heavy software we have. Okay, now use with the full screen, and that exactly. Okay, now this kind of pop-up messages come. What exactly we need to do? We need to select the second one. Okay, let me, this is just advertising and that one. So I want to click over here, keep Eclipse IDE being scanned by the Microsoft Defender. Okay, so I want to be a proceed. So this is exactly the welcome page. And you can see right now, I am using right now J2EE architecture. Surface is the same, but everything is different. Okay. Now see over here, what happened if you can go to their files, new, and you can see right now dynamic web project is coming. Previously is the Java project is came, right? Right now over here, which kind of features is coming? It's coming features relevant to the web development purpose. Okay. My Eclipse is right now installed. Right now, second thing, we need to be install a Tomcat. Okay, right now what is the Tomcat? Let me show you what exactly the Tomcat is we have. Okay, I'm going in the search engine. Okay, and over here I'm searching what is a Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat is nothing but you can see Tomcat is a free and open source web server and servlets container developed by Apache Software Foundation. Okay, means what exactly the we can say Tomcat is one kind of server we have. Okay, which one are providing to their services, right? Previously we have to their what XAMPP are available, right? So right now we are not using XAMPP, we are using what Tomcat, and previously you are using XAMPP, it's totally same. We are making to their local host, right? Okay, now let's do that. Now